To manage your Poelsan battery-operated irrigation controller remotely up to 15 meters via Bluetooth connection, download the Poelsan Cup mobile application to your smart device for free from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then create your account by filling out the membership form. If you wish, you can start exploring the application without becoming a member. Log in after filling in the required information to become a member. When you log into the application, you will see the device list page. Start the scan by selecting Add Device from the top. Select the device you want to add. To perform this operation, make sure your Bluetooth connection is on. The Devices page contains the manual irrigation, programs, additional features, synchronize with the device, on, off, and settings sections for the device you have selected. Monitor your controller's battery status and Bluetooth connection status. Customize your device settings by selecting Settings in the top right corner. Name your device. Set a password to prevent unauthorized access. Group your devices by adding tags for easier access. Easily distinguish your device by filtering by tag among multiple control units. You can follow the version updates of your device from the device homepage. Name the stations connected to the device. You can reset all the programs and settings of the device, or remove the device from your list. Select Manual Irrigation to start irrigating immediately. Select the station you want to operate. You can select more than one station if you wish. Set the desired operating time. After selecting Start, irrigation begins. When irrigation is completed, it stops automatically. Select Stop to end irrigation before your specified time. To create your irrigation programs that suit your needs, select one of the A, B, or C programs in the Programs section to edit. To add more programs, create your personal program by selecting Add Program in the top right. You can create 12 different irrigation programs in this section. Personalize your application by naming your programs. Determine the active or passive status of your program. Select the date range in which your program will run. Choose from specified calendar days or schedule your personal irrigation routine. Set how long each station will operate. Set operating times from 1 second to 12 hours. Set your irrigation schedule, where you can create 8 different start times. Save your settings once you're done. Select additional features for your sensor and device settings. Adjust irrigation times according to seasonal conditions by entering a value between -90 and +100 without having to adjust each station individually. Cup BT supports 3 different sensors: wind, rain, and frost. Select a sensor to adjust sensor settings against environmental factors. Determine the on or off status of the sensor. You can assign the sensors you have activated specifically to the stations. Set a day to suspend automatic irrigation with a rain sensor for up to 7 days and save it. To activate the main valve pump management, turn it to the on position. If required, the main valve pump management can be managed on a station basis. Main valve pump dwell time refers to a delay period that occurs after the main valve pump opens. This ensures balanced management of the system's water flow during the start of the irrigation process. The main valve pump dwell time can be adjusted from 1 second to 1 hour. Station dwell time is a feature that allows a certain period of delay to be set in the transition between different stations and irrigation zones during irrigation processes. This system is used to regulate the water pressure and provide effective irrigation. The station dwell time can be adjusted from 1 second to 1 hour. The cycle and soaking feature is the irrigation period being made in cycles at certain intervals so that the soil can better absorb water. For example, a regulation such as irrigating for 15 minutes, followed by waiting for 10 minutes, ensures more efficient absorption of water into the soil. Sync with device means updating or synchronizing the connection between the mobile app and the irrigation controller. This process ensures that information such as time, program settings, and sensor settings on the mobile are synchronized with the device. Tap the Synchronize with the Device button to perform this process. Your device can be turned off for a specified duration by selecting a day, or it can be turned off without selecting a day. When the device is off, irrigation programs are deactivated, meaning irrigation tasks will not be performed. However, the device continues to be accessible via Bluetooth through the mobile application. Select the On position to reactivate your device. While on the device's home screen, swipe the device image to the left to access daily irrigation program information. This screen includes the last irrigation your device performed, the current irrigation, and the next irrigation information. Swipe left again to view total irrigation information for the day. While on the total irrigation time page for today, tap the screen to access summary information for current programs. You can switch between the information of available programs by repeatedly touching the screen. Visit Poelsan.com for installation tips, other language options, and more.